Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to alter a basic bodice pattern into a princess cut pattern for both a bustier blouse and a formal English wear such as ladies jackets, shirts, dresses, blazers and so on and so forth. I'll be doing this for both the front and the back patterns. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothing Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: tape measure, paper scissors, ruler and curves. Ideally, a pencil should be used to draft a pattern, but for tutorial purpose, I will be making use of these marker pens. Front and back basic bodice pattern. So I have here my front and back basic bodice pattern, which I drafted using the bust dart technique. The tutorial for this will be above and in the description box below. To alter this basic bodice block into a princess dart bustier, we will need additional measurements. Shoulders under bust 13 inches, around under bust 34 inches. The first thing I will do is to do the under bust tightening. My shoulder to under bust measurement is 13 inches. So I go ahead to measure and mark my shoulder to under bust measurement from the neck point where the shoulder starts from downwards. I will square the line across like this. This line is the under bust line. My around under bust measurement is 34 inches. I will now divide this by 4, and this gave me 34 divided by 4, and this is equal to 8.5 inches. So on the under bust line, starting from the center front, I will measure and mark 8.5 inches on the under bust line like this. I will measure what I have left, and this gave me 1.5 inches. I will divide this 1.5 inches into two unequal halves, 1 inch and 0.5 inch. You can also divide it into two equal halves. This is your choice. So on this side closer to the center front, I will measure and mark 0.5 inch from the dart leg. And on this other side, I will measure and mark the remaining 1 inch from the second dart leg. I will now go ahead and connect these 2 points to the bust point using a straight edge. You can also use a slightly curved edge for this. I will also go ahead and connect these 2 points to the base of the waist dart like this. I will also use my straight edge for this, but you can also use a slight curve. So now I'm done with the under bust tightening. I will now go ahead and decide the position of the princess cut on the armhole. We have 4 different positions where the princess cut can be on the armhole, with each position 2 inches apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be making use of either of these two positions. These are the two major positions that I usually use. I will be making use of this position, which is 4 inches away from the shoulder tip, and I will connect it to the bust point like this. From the 4-inch point, I will come down by 1.5 inches along the armhole. You can also use 1 inch for this, but I'll be making use of 1.5 inches for mine. I will now connect this 1.5 inch point to the bust point like this using my straight edge. From this point on the armhole, I will extend it by 1.5 inches, which is the same exact amount that we came down by on the armhole. So I will measure and mark 1.5 inches outwards from the armhole like this. I will extend the armhole. Using my French curve, I will go ahead and redraw the lower part of the armhole curve. I will get rid of this sharp point here. I will use my French curve for this. So I'll go ahead and correct the sharp point like this using my curve. So now I'm done with the alteration of the front basic bodice pattern into a princess dart bustier. So the area I'm shading is what will be cut out of the pattern to get the princess bustier cut. I will now move over to the back pattern. On the front pattern, the princess cut starts 4 inches from the shoulder tip on the armhole. I will also measure and mark 4 inches from the shoulder tip on the back pattern on the armhole. I will connect this point to the base of the waist dart on both sides of the dart leg using a curve. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So by doing this, by using this method, you will have a very smooth princess line at the back of any outfit you intend to make. Some people will go ahead and connect this point to the tip of the waist dart using a straight edge or a curve. But this may give you an unwanted curve at the back of your outfit. So what if you want a princess cut in the front of a shirt, a blazer, a jacket, or any other English formal wear for ladies? This type of princess cut bustier will not be suitable at all. So I have here another basic bodice for the front, which I will alter into another type of princess cut. We won't be doing any under bust tightening or shoulder tightening for this, or armhole tightening for this. From the shoulder tip, I will go ahead to measure and mark the positions where the princess dart can be on the armhole, and they are all 2 inches apart. I will make use of the point that is 4 inches from the shoulder tip, and I will connect it to the bust point like this. I will get rid of this sharp point here. I will use my French curve for this. After doing this, that is all for the princess cut. No underbust or armhole tightening is needed for this type of princess cut. The princess cut for the back will remain the same as the previous one. I will now go ahead and cut out the front patterns. I will close the bust darts using my sellotape. So these two front pattern pieces is for the princess that bustier cut. And this is what I removed from the basic front pattern. I will now go ahead and cut out the back pattern pieces. So this area that I'm shading out is what will be cut out of the back pattern. For this second type of princess dart alteration, this area that I'm shading is all that will be removed. I did not do any underbust tightening or armhole tightening for this princess dart alteration. I will go ahead and cut it out. And I will also remember to close the bust dart using a sellotape. So I have here two princess dart alterations for the front pattern. One is for our traditional blouses and the other is for more formal English female wears. And this is the princess cut for the back, and this one works for any outfit, irrespective of whether it is a formal or a traditional outfit. So that's it, guys. We are done. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, share, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See you in my next tutorial. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.